name is Yoshi Terauchi. I just want to show you something very unique that I have been using for the past 1 year. That is MTA compactor called 812MT. Many people ask me why you use MTA as a root filling material. There are many reasons. First of all, 98% of my cases are retreatment, and the majority of my patients coming to my office have preoperative lesions. As you may know, the success rate in retreating the cases with preoperative lesions is not as high as the cases without preoperative lesions. And no endodontists use carapace and the sealer when they do periapical surgery, because MTA is completely biocompatible. MTA bonds to dentin. MTA is actually bactericidal, and MTA has an excellent sealing ability. So that's why they use MTA as a retrofilling material. But why not you use MTA in non-surgical retreatment? So that's why I use MTA. However, the problem of using MTA in non-surgical retreatment as a root filling material is it takes lots of time to obturate a root canal with my hands. So I have developed a new device to help me obturate the canal in a shorter time. And if you find it underfilled, you can easily redo it with 100 RPM clockwise rotation with sonics. If you find voids on the post-operative radiograph, you can easily remove voids with sonics. So on average, you can finish condensing MTA into the root canal for 1 minute, only 1 minute. With your hands, maybe it takes 5 minutes. So just, be ready for the new device. Welcome to the new world in endodontics.